Got a lot of wires, really a bunch of wires in there. See, I've been cut them off, this wire, and it's kind of really hard to peel them off without any tool. I was playing with this board or 2x4, and then I was putting my blade in here like this, and then I'm gonna run the wire through that hole, hold it with the vise, and then run the wire through this hole. But since that, because I put my blade this way, so it seems like even though I was putting screws in there, I was putting screws right here, and for any reason it just keep popping out. So now I'm looking at to make another one. Just what I'm thinking to do is make a hole this way to come to here, holes in there, size that I need, and then I gonna put my my blade in here somehow. So I'm gonna put the blade right here in there, make it like a little wedge, so it will spring load it, but in this position. First of all, I'm gonna mark it right here, how much my blade is gonna go in with this. So now I got my two lines right here, top, bottom. So this is where I'm gonna put my holes through, hopefully with this angle in here. Or, yeah, I think that way, because I can even do this way. It's gonna be a long hole in there. This is the ones I'm gonna put in there. Hopefully can make it through holes in here, because I still need some room to paste something on the bottom so I can grab it. Okay, got all those holes through. So some of them like this didn't go through because my real bit is too little, so it can go through all the way. But so I redo it right here. So right there. Now I'm gonna draw lines when the center of this hole to the center of the back, so I know where's gonna be my lines on there. Here we go. I got all the lines in there. I just cut them off. What I'm gonna do is put it this way, and then one shop in there, and then another shop on top. So I spring load it. So this blade will be springing. Will be pushing against my cables in there. So when I need it to change to another one, I will just pull it, put it out, and put it there, and so and so. Well, just got a hole right there, and this is the shop is gonna go there. I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna use these collars to tie them up. Okay, I'm about to cut these sides. This is gonna be the version of the shop holding it, the spring, the other shop actually, spring, and we're gonna put a color right there. Then it's gonna be kind of tight, and maybe I reinforce it right here. That's where it's gonna go. Okay, I got my two boards side. Just gonna cut them off. Here this. This is a sheet or a floor. There's a wooden floor, so the one I found it in the trash. So but you can basically use any type of wood. Okay, this is how it's gonna go. I just gonna mark the height of my blade. Here we go. I did clamp them, both of them. I did put these holes in here so I can just screw it. Okay, just put one screw right here and the other screw right here. Okay, I should be able to go in the slots. Let me just test it. Yeah, there. 2, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, what I did now, I just put a bottom plate that is gonna be getting my vise. I'm gonna use this paper clip to do the ring in here, so I can hook it on my spring in there. So I think I got it the right tension that I need. I think what I have to do is press it up so the blade will raise, then let it go, and load your cable, and then she will be able to work. I got a new blade, and I got these holes right here, so I gotta find the right hole. I think it should work, this one. Yeah, it should work. Raise them up and let it go. I think I'm gonna need a little bit tension for. I'm just gonna put something here to give me the tension that I need for right now. See what it does. So sounds like it's going through. Let me see what it does. I think it's too much tension right now. So it feels like it's cutting the copper. Okay, look at that. Alrighty. This. I've been doing the same thing everybody's doing, cutting like this. So it's not hard to imagine and how to do it. It's gonna do it just by, guiding right here and put your blade on top. That's what I create. This is a free demonstration how you can do this out of nothing. This piece of wood, I got it on the trash. The only tool that I hand cut it, you can get it for $5. Or I don't know, maybe you have in your tools. Like me, I have like 5 of those somewhere. I watch so many videos and I get inspired doing some things. It's for you, YouTube, for you guys. You're welcome to copy and do it. It works. That's the job. Not 100% like machine, but for $5 you could get it. So it is free and it's doing it. Right there, you guys. Thank you for watching. and good luck all.